What's up, y'all? Let's do some cleaning. I know how much y'all like to watch me clean, so I decided to make a couple of videos just dedicated to cleaning. We just moved into this rent house maybe a month ago. I don't want to say just moved in, maybe a month ago. So I'm kind of getting used to the vast amount of space that has to be cleaned. And when you have toddlers, that's just a vast amount of space that's gonna be dirty like every single day. So in order to not drive myself completely insane or burn out, I try to clean at least twice a week. Focus on laundry once a week. We have a dishwasher, so the kitchen is really no problem. But the bathroom, the formal living room, the regular living room, the back room, our room, their room, all of that is always something that has to be swept, mopped, wiped down, and Jesus knows that ain't nobody got time to be cleaning up all day. We have jobs, especially in this economic climate. We have to have a full-time job, part-time job, and a side hustle. So I don't even know how most moms who are working full-time and single are getting this stuff done. But kudos to y'all out there. If you're a single mother or a single father and you're getting the damn thing done, you're cleaning, you're keeping your area clean, you're making sure your child is fed, you are paying bills and showing up to work, that you are the real MVP. And that goes for single mothers and single fathers. Be proud of yourself, because I am a married woman and it's just hard. So I just know it gotta be hard for y'all. But look, y'all doing the damn thing. But anyway, I decided that I was going to be rebranding because, even though I like, the Big Jim Baddie, I just think that maybe I'm more of a fan of Megan Thee Stallion and Doja Cat. Now look, I don't have nothing against Baddies. I love Baddies. I haven't watched it in a while, but that ain't got nothing to do with nothing. It ain't got nothing to do with nothing. I haven't watched it in a while, but I'm about to download Zeus again because, as y'all saw recently, Blueface out of jail and Krishan is acting up. So I just know they're about to put them back on Zeus with their own special. So the rebrand has everything to do with just me being a bigger fan of Megan Thee Stallion. I would rather be the Big Jim Hottie than the Big Jim Baddie. I don't know why. It's just where I am in my era. Soft girl, hottie, queen, all of that. So I am just rebranding. So that is going to be taking effect this week, or next week, or before the end of the year. I don't know. I might rebrand into the new year. I'm just kind of giving it some thought right now. But I just know that every time I open my YouTube and see the Big Jim Baddie, I'm just like, I don't really like that anymore. In case y'all didn't know, Doja Cat is going on tour. And the tickets are available. I don't know why I'm telling y'all this, because the last time somebody I wanted to go see put out tickets, they were sold out in less than 24 hours. Okay, and I'm talking about Megan's Hottie Wing. I wanted to go. That's the only reason I'm going to Houston, is to see Megan Thee Stallion or Beyonce or Lizzo. I'm not going for no other reason. So once the tickets were sold out for Hottie Wing, I was like, cool. Doja Cat decided she was going on tour, and Texas was one of the places she's going. She's going to Dallas, she's going to Austin, she's going to Houston. I was like, no thank you. No thank you. No offense to Texas, but no thank you. I'm trying to go to Denver. I'm trying to go to her show in Denver because I haven't been to Colorado. I've never been there. Texas, I've been there multiple times. Been there, done that. And it seemed like it just got worse. Driving got worse. Temperaments got worse. People got worse. So I'm good. I'm trying to go out there and have a good ass time. But I can't wait to go. This is, fun fact, my first concert. I've never been to a concert in my 30-something-year-old life. So this is going to definitely be an experience for me. Hopefully a cute little road trip for the cams and content for y'all, because damn sure I'm gonna be filming my outfit. I'm gonna be filming the entire trip. I'm just gonna be filming. And because the airfare is just so damn expensive, I mean, Jesus Christ, I'm gonna be driving. We will be driving, okay? So I'm still working on all the details to our little plan here, but Doja Cat in concert is going to be a must for me. But thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to post more content for you guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Love you. Bye.